Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is acceleration, the rate of change of velocity. By the end of this video, you'll know the formula when negative acceleration means deceleration, and the surprising case where constant speed still involves acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So A equals change in velocity divided by time. If velocity goes from u to v in time t, then A equals v minus u in brackets divided by t. The unit meters per second squared. It's a vector. It has direction. Three things. 1. Acceleration measures how fast velocity is changing, not how fast something is moving. 2. Negative acceleration is deceleration. 3. Circular motion at constant speed still involves acceleration because the direction is changing even though the speed isn't. Common slip, saying the car has zero acceleration because it's moving at constant velocity. Yes, constant velocity means zero acceleration, but constant speed in a curve does involve acceleration because velocity, which includes direction, is changing. Quick example. A car accelerates from rest to 30 meters per second in 10 seconds. So A equals 30 minus 0, all divided by 10, which equals 3 meter per second squared. So for every second, the velocity is increasing by 3 meters per second. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.